Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete your 1xbet account permanently. So to do this, all you need to do is simply tap on your Google browser, and once you have tapped on it, type in the URL of 1xbet. So once you have done it as well, hit the sign in button and log in into your account or register your account. As I have already been logged in, all I need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the right hand side of the corner. Once I have done this, all you need to do is simply scroll down below to security. There you can find that there is no option called delete your account. Now let's go back and tap on personal profile as well. So there as well you cannot find any option to delete your account. Once you have scrolled whole way down, you cannot find any option to delete your account either. So now to delete your account, all you need to do is simply tap on your menu option, and once you have done this, you need to scroll down below and tap on the customer support. After you have done this, you need to tap on send us an email option. After doing this, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So now simply type in your phone number, email and your message and tap on the send button. So in the mail section you need to type in your mail, and in the message box you need to type in delete my account. Once you have sent this mail, the customer support will now contact you and you can delete your 1xbet account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.